how old is.
Oh, I think he's.
No, this place was here till I started. So a lot of the time you don't realize it's silver. There needs to be two of us down here when we're working with any of the machinery, and we do have to wear extra protection. The safety glasses, it would look like that. That was actually a different pattern that was used at one time that we don't use anymore. And I can show you the waving because these are the original presses the company used in Columbus and we still use today. And I'm starting out by cleaning off any wood shavings or chips in the wood. Which is the head. And attaching the side, the leg at the finger joint. Lay it in the press. We have a foot pedal, helps push our pieces together. We'll take a brand board or Sunnyland, and it's kind of like a puzzle. Top rail, piece of metal, and I'm going to use our galvanized spiral. Bottom rail, and then the other leg. And the hardest part for me is lining up and attaching this second leg to the rest of the board. And sometimes we have to work with our pieces a little bit. Going to press the pieces together, and we don't directly touch the board because we could do damage. And then I'm going to tap the pieces together. Sometimes we have to do extra tapping. The wood can swell, especially in the warmer months. And then when I'm ready, we use nails to keep our boards together, and that's what they always used. But we use hand nail guns today. Now, with our nail gun, there's a guide at the bottom. So we'll actually raise the board and press it together to keep it in place, and then nail it in 6 places. I just keep my fingers crossed and shoot a nail through. Give it a little tug, and then we just clean it up and sell it as is.